Hi, Adam Oakes here with Planet Technology, and this is your Defense Industrial Base Play of the Week. So this is actually an update targeted at GCC High, our Defense Industrial Base customers, and our customers in general that are working towards CMMC audits. We wanted to make sure that you guys have proactive updates about what's coming on with the roadmap on stuff that we think is cool or interesting. There's definitely one that I saw on the roadmap this week that I thought would benefit you guys from understanding what's going on. So, in case you haven't worked with it before, Microsoft has a pretty cool technology called Insider Risk Management. The core idea behind Insider Risk Management is alerting you towards actions that are taken by your employees that could potentially be detrimental to you as a company or what you guys are trying to go through and do. So, a very practical example, if you suddenly have an employee downloading an absolute metric ton of files that's outside of their norm, well, it could be that they're trying to download those files locally. So that way they could take the information and, maybe leave to another company, or God forbid, it's something going on right now. Maybe they have it for nefarious means related to what they're trying to do with your CUI. So insider risk management is definitely a tool that has some benefit and something that I think a lot of our customers would benefit from using and understanding a little bit more. There's actually a roadmap update this week that's in the rolling out, which means you're actually going to start seeing this coming to active to your environments inside of GCC Hive related to insider risk management. The update itself basically goes on to talk about some new features that are coming on, specifically user analytics. What user analytics with insider risk management is going to do is it's basically going to start giving you generated information related to your users, even if they're not directly scoped inside of insider risk management, whenever certain other security adjacent activities are going on. So the four ones that they specifically call out are DLP alert investigations, communication compliance alert investigations, Microsoft Defender XDR users, and Microsoft Defender XDR advanced hunting. So as you're going through and using those tools, and oftentimes it'll be our team using those tools for you, this new feature inside of Insider Risk Management is going to start pulling up information that may be relevant. The core idea behind this is it's going to basically bring up stuff that's relevant. So you see a DLP alert investigations come through, and you have, oh, Tom has gone through and tried to share a file that has CUI. Well, if in addition to that, Tom has shared a whole bunch of other files, or Tom has gone through and downloaded a whole bunch of files, this tool will start proactively letting you know as you're actually going in and looking at the DLP search investigation. I see this as a pretty big security win and something that's super neat. Insider risk management is one of those things that I've kind of harped on as my own pet thing that I think is actually pretty neat. It's a little big brothery, but I think that it really provides you some extra security. And one of the ways that Microsoft has worked to differentiate themselves and some of the value they give to their customers. And this is continuing that trend and making it more readily available, even if customers haven't gone down the path of fully implementing insider risk management. So super excited to see this. I think this is very specifically applicable for CMMC and defense industrial base clients, because obviously all of us have a responsibility to be stewards of the information that we're going through and handling, and specifically the CUI that we're going through and handling as well too. And this is going to make that job easier for you guys and for my team as IT admins. This has been your play of the week. Excited to get my hands on this one. I'll talk to you guys soon.